friends, welcome back to Word Extend. My name is Pihika and today I'm going to share 10 new English words along with sentences, synonyms and antonyms. These words are related to smart conversations. So let's get started. The first word is establish. Sentence: we need to establish clear rules for the project. Synonyms: create, found. Antonyms: destroy, abolish. The next word is obtain. Sentence: you must obtain permission before entering the building. Synonyms: acquire, get. Antonyms: lose, forfeit. The next word is indicate. Sentence: the signs indicate that the store is closed. Synonyms: glow, signal. Antonyms: hide, conceal. The next word is conduct. Sentence: the teacher will conduct a science experiment tomorrow. Synonyms: perform, carry out. Antonyms: neglect, abandon. The next word is assume. Sentence: don't assume things without checking the facts first. Synonyms: presume, suppose. Antonyms: prove, verify. The next word is occur. Sentence: accidents can occur when people are not careful. Synonyms: happen, take place. Antonyms: keys, stop. The next word is involve. Sentence: the project will involve teamwork and creativity. Synonyms: include, engage. Antonyms: exclude, omit. The next word is ensure. Sentence: please ensure that all the doors are locked before leaving. Synonyms: gratitude, secure. Antonyms: endanger, risk. The next word is respond. Sentence: she always responds quickly to emails. Synonyms: reply, answer. Antonyms: ignore, discreet. The next word is maintain. Sentence: it's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Synonyms: preserve, keep. Antonyms: neglect, abandon. Thank you for learning. You have learned 10 powerful words today. Tip word of the day: establish. Your challenge: use establish in your sentence about your goals. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more daily English lessons. Also try using these words in a daily conversation. That's the best way to remember them. Thank you for learning. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. See you tomorrow with 10 more interesting words. Bye-bye.